Hey guys, it's Alex with Tucker USA. Just wanted to take a moment to introduce to you our T1 upgrade kit. These feature our newly redesigned Tucker clamps. As you can see, this is the T1, and we are making these available to purchase now. And this will essentially give you the capability of turning any water-fed pole that you have a water-fed Euro tip, or as available separate purchase, utilize our Acme tip. So then essentially your water-fed pole could become a trad pole, or soon to be released gooseneck that you could adjust to make it longer to have able to access deeper ledges. And these can go on to your existing Tucker poles that you have with a slight modification. And what I thought it would be a good idea to do is just make a quick video on doing that. So as you can see, I have a Tucker mini pole here that has a fixed Euro tip, and simply all you need to do to get this to work is to cut off the tip off the pole, put this on, and then you're able to attach your Euro tip, your Acme threaded tip, or the gooseneck. So make sure got everything in view here. So just have a little hacksaw. Everything else set aside. Set that aside. Then you'd simply take your new T1 clamp, loosen this one up, and you'll need a 5/32 Allen key or wrench. Simply put it on there. Turn it on. Put your new tip in there, and there you have it. Just as simple as that. You have your new T1 tip, T1 clamp on your pole. These are available at our website now for purchase at tuckerusa.com. The link will be below the video. Thank you guys and have a great day.